Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to delete a chat on the Zangi app quickly and easily. If you have messages that you no longer need or want to remove for privacy, this guide will help you manage your conversations effectively. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Navigate to the chat section by tapping the chat icon located at the bottom left. Then, find the chat you want to delete and press it for a few seconds until the options appear. You will notice several icons at the top of the screen. Click on the delete icon to remove the chat from your list. A confirmation message will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Finally, click on delete to permanently remove the chat from your Zangi app. Remember that once you delete a chat, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you really want to remove it before confirming. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more practical tips.